庆
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
让我们来听听客家和世界上的节庆会碰撞出什么有趣的火花。
Hey, what's up? It's time for the World of Hakka on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin. Now, this is the month of December where Christmas is here, and this is something that is more celebrated in the Western culture. A lot of theories about why December 25th was chosen. Some say it's because Mother Mary got this prediction on March 25th, so 9 months later, it's December 25th. But here in Taiwan, we look forward to an event that takes place during winter, and it's winter solstice. And I believe the Hakka do so too, as they eat and celebrate with different things. So let's welcome Mei Jiang to tell us all about it.
大家好，我是妹讲
Hello, 妹江，这个圣诞节应该是喜欢过的节日吧？
超爱的
交换礼物什么这些都会，对不对？不过在我们台湾这边呢，比较跟我们贴切一点的话，可能在冬天是冬至啦。
冬至，
对。客家人冬至是不是也有很多的食物要吃啊，或者活动要办？
对，因为客家美食相当重要，所以说到冬至呢，一定要吃拌盐。
拌盐就是汤圆咯。
对，而且要吃咸的哦。
That's right. The Hakka sweet glutinous rice dessert is actually savory， 好吃。
更特别是呢，在祭祖之后啊，我们这个拌盐啊、糯米圆啊，要贴在今年有用到的东西上面。
贴上去，
对，
像便利贴一样的方式吗？
对，但是不是为了记名字，是要特别说感谢这些东西这一整年的付出，比如说床头柜啊、衣橱啊，而且很特别是什么呢？就连果树都会贴这个拌盐，就是糯米圆，是另一个用意，是希望它可以继续丰收、结实累累。
有点 appreciation， 感谢、感恩，然后也有点祈福的感觉了，对不对？这样以后我在床上吃东西，吃汤圆，不小心掉到枕头上，我就干脆说我是为了这个，
直接粘上去，睡一睡肚子也可以拿下来吃。
That is so cool！ 那除了这个吃汤圆的习俗之外，是不是也有收东西，对不对？
对，收东西，这非常重要，因为收东西有另一个名称叫平安喜，就是平安喜，希望说这一整年大家都可以平平安安，也是感谢祖先让我们一整年顺顺利利。
其实这方面跟我们刚刚讲西洋文化里面的圣诞节，或在更推之前的感恩节，其实有异曲同工之妙，对不对？ All right, the similarities of celebrating things during wintertime is there, and let's teach you some of the phrases we brought up, including Christmas, 圣诞节 and then the winter solstice, 冬至
冬至
and finally, the dessert that we eat, it's called 汤圆
拌盐
and it's kind of salty and savory in Hakka. Well, thank you so much for listening to the World of Hakka.
什么太嘎？
安子 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.